Yes, ma'am. Many people start startup, and even their products or services, they give the best out of them. And but due to some reasons, they can't find their customers or market. So, what are the suggestions you would give to someone like that to increase their market or customer base?
So, see, there are two things. One is you are getting into a market which already has similar products. Okay, so
Yes.
you're making a product which substitutes are already there in the market. Now, in such a case, you have to really find that what is it that they are producing, at what price they are producing, where can I enter and be different from them. So the first step for, if a person is not finding any market, is because he is not found a differentiator. So if
Okay.
he is entering into a market which already where the market is overcrowded with products that he is producing, he needs to clearly find a niche for himself. He needs to find that differentiator which makes him different from others. It could be a very small, it could be very small difference, but that difference will sell. And that difference can be anything. That difference can be in starting from the design of the product, the features of the product, the color and design of the product, the packing of the product, the way it is sold, the way you interact with people and sell the product, the way you offer after sale services. So in any of these things, if you can find a differentiator, you can. Second, if you are entering into a market where your product is not known at all, there are no competitors, it's a new product. People are not knowing what this product, it's something very new. Then in that case, you have to have a lot of patience because you have to educate the people. You have to
Okay.
educate the people in what is this product. So there is a concept selling which has to happen. So the best example is Flipkart. When Flipkart came in India, it is now more than 12 years.
Okay.
Uh, People did not know what is e-commerce. They just never knew that you can buy online. Today everybody goes online and buys, one click here, one click. Today it is common. But when they came here some 12-15 years back, actually, you did not know what is e-commerce. So people had to get used to this. E-commerce is a platform where you can go and buy online, the products will come to you. See, and even Flipkart also. Uh, See, Amazon came much later. Flipkart came first, okay, and
Okay.
they struggled to educate. Why did Amazon not come? They were waiting. They were waiting that somebody needs to educate. Why will we break our heads? After Flipkart came and they educated, then Amazon, it became easy for them because
Oh,
people knew how
okay.
to go. And see, I'll give you one interesting example also. You all must be knowing this concept COD. Have you heard of it? Cash on
Uh,
delivery.
oh, yeah. Yes, right.
Cash
Yes,
on
ma'am.
delivery.
Yes.
When you buy something, you get cash on delivery. I mean, you can pay to them cash on delivery. COD, it is called COD.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
only there in India, nowhere in the world.
Oh,
So
is it?
even if any foreign company also comes to India, they have to understand this market and educate the people first. That is over. But why did they do this cash on delivery? Everywhere else in the world, you have to pay your debit or credit card and then only the product comes. In India, the product comes and you can pay. One feature. Why did they give this? Because we don't believe and we don't trust people easily, and especially we do not know how e-commerce works. So they had to give this feature. And what am I trying to say? That every startup has to understand what his market is like, features of the market. Then he has to, especially if it's a new product, he has to mold himself to the culture and to the people of the market.